Explore and learn Indonesia with our app Trale.
The increasing number of foreign and domestic tourists in the tourism sector has a great opportunity to create jobs and boost the Indonesian economy. There are more than 2,000 tourism destinations that can be explored in Indonesia and more than 3.6 million local tourism community that can be optimized. However, it will be better if tourism activities were balanced by educational and other useful activities to preserve the matter. From this potential, we found several problems as follows. The first one is backpackers find it difficult to arrange travel schedule based on their budget and preference. The second one is there are many local community in the tourism sector, but they have not been optimized properly. And the third, huge tourism potential but not matched by education to preserve tourism place. So, Trale commit to providing high-quality travel by local hosts and volunteer events integrated in one app.
So, for the existing results, Trale is inspired by Couchsurfing and the Trip on You. The main difference is Trale has the package trip that is based on hosts like Couchsurfing, but it is also have the volunteer trip that is focused on volunteering while doing the trips and the recommendation of budget planning, so we can trip and set our budget on that trip like 500,000 or 400,000 or a million, and it is focused on Indonesian regions. For our services, Plan Trip Bucket is a feature that provides various recommended travel packages with itineraries, locales, and prices. For the volunteer trip, like I said before, volunteer provides volunteer events, recommendations, and trips to a place as a way to preserve the tourist attractions. For the community, is a feature that makes it easier for user to communicate with the others and share their experience while tripping. Here's the architecture that we are gonna use. So first of all, the machine learning model will be deployed in GitHub with Plus, and the Google build will create the container for the Plus and run the container on Google Cloud Run, and then the user can ask for specific budget and categories for the trips, and the Google Run will request it to the Google SQL, and then the Google SQL will give the response, and the Google Cloud Run will give the response to the user. Here are the project schedule.
Okay, this is the result of our trial application. As you can see on the video besides, there are three menus that are home, volunteer, where users can find volunteer events that our application recommends, and also profile that require authentication first. Users have to fill in the data first from the name, address, telephone number, email, password, and also its confirmation before going to the next process. Error would appear if the user didn't fill in the data correctly. After inputting all the data, user can register in their account, and user can swipe to the login screen and fill in the data like email and password, and the application will go back to the home screen. And in here, users can see the planned trip and even contact the emergency number. Users can give out their preference by filling in the data like budget, preference, and the data amount they want to be displayed. After that, the application will give you some recommended trips that user can choose to view the details. User can message the host or the trip owner first and go to the booking section. In the booking section, user can view their payment details, then continuing their payment by scanning the QR code or entering their debit credit card number. In here, they can wait for us to validate their payment first and continue seeing the other trip list. User also can see all of the lists that exist in the application without inputting their preference by clicking the See All and also its category.
This is document section. In this section that we create and use in building of the interface application. In machine learning, that we just need to create a virtual machine with a compute engine and build a model, then convert it to H5 format. In cloud computing, we use cloud storage app engine and compute engine so that you can easily replicate here. And the last, this is the Android section, so you can easily replicate over here.
So, we have a local development plan for the next 6 months. In the first month, we will introduce our product to user and test our minimum viable product or MVP to gather feedback. In the second month, we will develop our product based on the filter feedback and finalize the product until the end of September. In the third month, we will launch the product or service in beta version to the general public. This will be combined with marketing and promotional strategies aimed at attracting the attention and interest of potential users. In the fourth month, we will release our application on the Play Store. This involves the process of uploading and publishing the complete application to the Google Play Store, the primary distribution platform for Android application. In the fifth month on beyond, we will monitor and maintain the application as well as continue development for the future.
We define our market with STP strategy, segmentation, male and female, 18 up to 30 years old, living in urban areas, limited budget, active on social media, people happy with new people, people who enjoy activities such as hiking, exploring hidden places, and interacting with local people. Targeting college students with limited budget who like to adventure, backpacker travelers who are looking for the backpacker community, and digital nomad who work from anywhere. Our positioning is apps that can provide travel packages, recommendations based on budget and user preference. Why use our product? Trale provide information and recommendation according to user budget and preference, which can help user plan trip more efficiently. Trale use preference data from users so we can provide relevant solutions and enable travelers to make better decisions. Trale support the government goals of promoting local tourism and economic development in tourist areas. Trale's business partners such as accommodation provider, tour operator, and local merchants also get benefit from the resulting increased traffic and exposure from their place. This is our budgeting one with $5,000 we will use for team salary, cloud service, data science and development resource, production and management tools, research and survey, additional salary for external expert, observer, respondent, and legalities, patent or copyright registration, license app or Google Play Store. This is our budgeted clue with $10,000 we will use for all aspects. From budgeting one, will add additional budget for research or ops, marketing and sales, market research and competitive analysis, feature development or R&D, partnership and community empowerment, and other expense like tax or research. For sustainability, our app we will plan to get income from ads, project collaboration with other, subscription or premium feature, and funding from the investor. So we will use income for optimizing app performance with proper design, partner with local service providers, and provide an integrated payment system. Based on the $5,000 or $10,000 budgeting, our expectations are $5,000 funding. We can runway 6 months with 6 people and have assets like patent or copyright, data, and cloud service. With $10,000 funding, we expect to runway 1 year with 6 people headcount and have assets like patent or copyright, data, cloud service, pet service, and R&D resource.
Let's meet our team and discover the magic of Indonesia, embrace its beauty, and create unforgettable memories with Trale.